Alrighty, well, good afternoon. This is 2008 Ford F450 V8 speaking from on YouTube, and we're gonna start up this John Deere. See what she does. Choke. See what happens. Yeah, I guess that didn't work out as I expected. I don't know why it won't fire. Anybody on YouTube can help me out? I greatly appreciate it. It's like it's running. I had it running on the choke. It dies out. I put the choke back on, it stays. So, if anybody on YouTube can help me out with this, I would greatly appreciate it. And kind comments on my channel will be greatly appreciated as well. Thanks. So we'll grab my drill, drill starter. Oh crap! How can I do this? I'm trying to think. We'll set it on top here. When I attach the socket adapter and the socket, they roughly range at Home Depot about $5. They're great to use in mowers. If you ever get a mower that sits through storage, you know what it's like when it wants to start. It won't start after it sits. Move the recoil as directed. Take your socket adapter socket and your corded or cordless drill is shown there. And then you take the drill and you crank it up. So here we go. Well, that worked. Yeah, for a second. Take two. Well, guess we know it starts. That's awesome. I think this mower is made in 1996 or 2000. I'm not sure, because there's a stamp on it, but I can't. It's been so degraded. I don't even know when it was made. So, nonetheless, we'll get it going. And if you look at both mowers, same engine, FC150V. Except this isn't electric start. It's pull start. One more time. Well, that was me starting up the JX85 on a nice sunny Sunday day, so hope you enjoyed it. So take care, and you all have a great day on YouTube. Take care. Bye.